Good morning. I'm just getting ready to go to the Wilderness Reserve today. I'm so insanely excited. The place we're staying is so cool, and we've got a hot tub, we've got activities booked, and I'm really excited to just have a few days away with my family. I'm excited. I'll show you all the stuff we're doing. I'll show you the hot tub and the house. So we've just got here and it's really gorgeous. They've left a little cake in the kitchen. And here's a really cozy hallway I'm walking through. And in here is the living room. Bathroom with these dressing gowns and a big shower. Let's have a look upstairs. Such a cool little room. So today we've got some activities booked, and I think we're gonna go out into the forest and do survival skills, which is really exciting.
There might be funny, interesting things there. Are we vlogging?
Yeah. What are we actually doing? Do you know?
Wilderness survival skills.
Listen close.
A bit closer. And blow.
Moose.
So ladies, I'm going to pop this down.
Hold on. Ladies.
This shoe.
Ladies.
Ladies holding this. Ladies holding. Everybody wave. Say la la la.
You.
this morning Dad's come up and we're going to try and retrieve the boat that's stuck in the moat.
Hey! Ah! Let's see if I can do it. That's got to be a good fight, doesn't it? Yeah. We might need a few more cats towels and stuff.
Stick my... What is that called? It's going to take a finger off. Will made a really good fire under the good teachings of Chuck, who taught us bushcraft yesterday. I think we'll probably head back in a bit. Grandad Wiggles came around this morning, which was lovely. Oh crap! Just knocked over a log. Oh dear, which was great. We got the boat back, which was awesome. And I think the cleaners have been, so I'm excited to like get back and see all the beds like being nice and tidy and everything. So today's our last day and we've just spent all morning playing in the garden and packing up to get ready, and this morning we finished carving our spoons and we had a spoon judging competition where Annabelle judged which one was better, and she voted. This is my spoon that I made. I didn't manage to scoop out the bowl. This is Charlotte's spoon and Annabelle judged Will's spoon to be the best. That was exciting. Yeah, we've had a really great time and the journey isn't too bad, it's just an hour and a half. So I think both the girls will probably sleep during the journey. So yeah, it should be good.